I'm doing a second part already? Oh, man.
If I could just stop right here and be finally done, finally us, finally we are in the future. Here we are in the future and it's bright.
First time I ever had to do that. Now we just move on to Dark Count here.
I can't believe we've come so far. Happily ever after, here we are.
There we go. Now we just move on to this part here. This is where his other leg is. So, where? Now then, there we go. There's his leg, there's his tail here. Now next up, there's Brachium. We're just gonna draw this part here and down here. Now we just draw this part here. This is his claw. Now we just draw this part here. We're almost done. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
There we go. We're almost done. And finished! We finally got it done. We finally completed MAXUS DRAGONOID! Let's just... Done. I know it's not much, but who am I kidding? It's the big guns, am I right? I finally got Brachium, Darkius, Brachus Hound, oh shoot, Graphius, Spider Fencer, Brachium, and oh shoot, I forgot. I'm supposed to show you guys how to assemble MAXUS DRAGONOID. Alright, let's get started. I'm throwing down my Bakugan Actinium Surge card. Let's get started. Now then, first of all, you start with Spiderarm here. You just close this part here to form the legs. Then you move this. Then you place his head in, plug this in. Then you move this plug up. you just take Dragonoid, shove it into this plug, and snap him on like this. The next thing is that you take Graphis Hound, and then put these pegs in here, plug this to form this foot, plug it into Spider-Arm like so. It's like forming a Megazord. You know, the one from Power Rangers. Do the same thing with Darkhound. You just fold the horns in, then you just move his head up, and then plug it in like a shoe. Then you just move it in like this. There's the legs. Now we just take Graphius, then just rotate his arm here. Take this plug it right here into Drago's body. There we go. And then next thing is Brachium right here. We did Graphius. You just take the plug, stick it out, and then rotate like so. And finally, Spider Fencer. You just plug the thing back on. Then you just take these arms here. There's a plug on the back of Dragonoid. Hold on a sec. You just pull it out. Then you just snap it right in, like so. And then, there. That's how you form MAXUS Dragonoid. And there we go. That's how you draw MAXUS Dragonoid. Amazing, huh? Oh, and there's one more thing. On the box, when forming MAXUS Dragonoid, there are these two plugs on Spider Fencer. You plug it into Brachium's hand here. You know, shove it into his arm. Make sure the Pyrus part is up here. And there. And it forms a blaster cannon. It's sort of an odd feature to have. I don't know why MAXUS Dragonoid would have this for a arm. It sounds ridiculous, because it's not like the one that we saw in the TV show. Because basically I prefer to have this bakugan onto a Drago's back. There we go. And just for fun, much like the Mectagon, you could take this card here, shove it on the back, and then let's see, unplug Spider Fencer's back cannon here, tail gun, and use it as a cannon for defense. Basically, you can fold your MAXUS Dragonoid any way you want, including the MAXUS 6. Anyways, so basically, that is how you build and how you draw MAXUS Dragonoid. I have all of Drago's evolutions. I can even put them in order. You could put them like in front of Drago, MAXUS Dragonoid, Dragonoid Colossus, and Dragonoid Destroyer. All three evolutions, all at once. You can also have Dragonoid MAXUS Drago riding on the back of Dragonoid Colossus. Oh, one more thing about Dragonoid Colossus. His wings fold back up here to just to show for defense. Now, just to show that is part of the gimmick. And you could just plug MAXUS Drago onto the back here. You can have him riding by Beam Blitzer. Let me just zoom up, and you can have him holding on to this part here, and there we go. I don't know where where Dragonoid Destroyer would go, possibly back here or in front, but it would make the whole thing fall apart. Alexa, play Reach for the Stars. Alexa, play Reach for the Stars.
Here's Reach for the Stars.
There we go.
Opening theme. Vocals by Jean-Paul Makhlouf of Cash Cash.
There we
by
go.
Sega Tomoya Otani on Amazon Music.
Basically it. Alright, that's all for now. I know that I don't have a Dragonoid. I know I don't have Dragonoid Maximus or that new Dragonoid creature that's gonna come out real soon, but I will real soon. One of these days, I'll be able to draw them. So, anyways, I hope you... Alexa, what's it like at Sayasa train station today?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Okay. So, that's all you need to know about Dragonoid MAXUS Drago. I hope you guys enjoyed this two-part event. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I would be happy to let you guys know what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. And who do you guys think is stronger? MAXUS Drago, Dragonoid Colossus, or Dragonoid Destroyer? You can decide any way you want, anytime, anywhere. I'm always leaving new episodes every day. I'm always drawing new characters. Anyways, I'll see you guys real soon. Till then, I'll be doing stuff. I'll be doing stuff upstairs. I'll be drawing up new characters, and it's definitely not involving smoking weed. No, seriously, I do not smoke weed. It's bad for your body. And be sure to tell your parents to sue the companies that create cigars and alcohol, which is bad for your body. And it would be happier if people created an alcohol-free environment. So, see you guys again soon.